there are multiple ways of creating the audience. Now we will see how to create the different types of custom audience using the Facebook Ad Manager. So let us start. What is custom audience? If you know the concept of remarketing, then it will be very easy for you to understand what the custom audience is. In this case, we can create the audience based on the user's interaction with our business. They might have visited our website, they might have visited our offline store, they might have visited our Facebook page, they might have interacted with the content of your page, and so on. We are already in the Audience Manager. If you are unable to find it, then from Business Manager, go to top, click on these three lines, select the audience, and you will be on this page. Go to Create Audience, select Custom Audience. There are two ways to create the custom audience. Firstly, using your own resources, and secondly, using Facebook resources. First, let us talk about using your own resources. My own resources means here, resources belong to me, like my website, my app, data collected from customer in a file, and so on. First, we have the website traffic. It is very simple. We want to target those people who have visited our website. Click on website traffic. In this case, we have to embed the Facebook pixel in our website. Now, what is Facebook pixel? How to embed it in your website? We have one full module on this. So, I will discuss about Facebook pixel in detail there. For the time being, just leave it. Next, we have the customer list. If you already have the list of customers either prepared by you or by any third party, then this option is very useful, especially for offline businesses. The customers who are interacting with your business offline, you can target them using Facebook ads. Let us see how to create the audience from the customer list. Click on Customer List. We have three options here. Use a file that includes customer lifetime value. Use a file that doesn't include customer lifetime value, and import from MailChimp. But I will show you use a file that doesn't include customer lifetime value. Click on it, read these instructions and accept it. This is the interface where we will upload our file. There are three steps of it. Firstly, we have to capture the customer's data in a file using these 15 identifiers. An identifier is a data used to match your customers' people on Facebook. To improve the potential match rate, include as many identifiers as possible as columns in your file. Data will be hashed prior to upload, and the Facebook will not store it after the data is uploaded. These are the examples of identifiers. In the second step, we have to upload the file. You have to select the source of data here, that means from where the data is coming. Select Direct from Customers, else an appropriate option. You can add the file directly, or you can use the copy-paste option here. But I would prefer to upload the file. If you want to see the data format, you can download this template file here. I am showing you the template in which you should collect the data. Don't worry, if the data is not collected in this format, then you have to match the identifiers. I am just going to show you in a while. Upload the file, make sure it is .csv file. Give the name to the audience and click Next. Now see, here few of the identifiers are matched, but few are not. We have to match the identifiers. From here, you can select an appropriate identifier for respective column. This is the first name. This is the last name. This seems to be the Facebook ID. It is not matching. I might have entered the wrong data here, but don't worry. Read about Facebook ID identifier and enter the data in a correct format. Select Don't upload the data. Are most of the identifiers are matched? Click Upload and Create. Yes, the audience data is uploaded. Click Done. My second audience is ready and we can use it for advertising purposes. Now let me show you how to use the Facebook sources. In this case, we will use the Facebook sources to retarget the audience. For example, if someone is visiting your Facebook page, we can show him our product ad. Let me show you one example here. Suppose, if someone watch any video on our Facebook page, we want to target because he has shown some interest in our business. For this purpose, select video source. In engagement, we have so many options in a way which your customer has interacted with the video. For example, people who viewed the video at least for 3 seconds, at least for 10 seconds, and so on. You can also specify the time period. Here, 365 days means if a person is engaged with the video in the last 365 days, then include him in our custom audience. Give any name to the audience, your custom audience will be created. Let me show you how to reach the target audience using our Facebook page audience. This is very simple process. You have to just specify the conditions in any or all format. Any here means if any of the following conditions are satisfied, then include the fan in the custom audience. Here are number of conditions from which you can select an appropriate one. For example, anyone who visited the page, anyone who engaged with the content of the page, and so on. Here you can define the time frame. If you want to include more condition, use this plus sign. Let it be one condition only. Give the name to the audience. Create the audience. Your custom audience is created. So we have created our custom audience. Actually, there are many ways to create the custom audience. It is up to you which of the methods you want to select. Here I have discussed the 3 methods to create the custom audience. The rest of the methods are very simple. Just play around these methods. In the next video, I will discuss how to create the look-alike audience using the Facebook Ad Manager. Just join me there.